seconds. He's got.
No! Come on! Come on!
Have you recorded any of this?
No.
Purposely? Okay, are you guys there? I don't know if you're watching. Is he recording? Rocco's been acting like, stop zooming in on me. Okay, guys, we're so, I don't know if you can see me, my nose, my cheek, my neck. I don't know what you see. Rocco's in charge of the camera.
Hold on. Let me just zoom out. Okay.
Right there, you're good, Rocco.
Okay, so Rocco's in charge of the camera. We're gonna hit 500K today, and we are so excited. We're going crazy here. Show the screen, it's happening, the numbers are going fast. And so Rocco decided, since it's his 500K day, even though we're all a part of this vlog and all this family matters, he's gonna control the camera. So you guys have, Rocco, stop zooming. The only person who's gonna find this funny is you.
I find you funny.
You find me funny?
Yeah, you're both funny.
So Rocco's in charge. Oh, see, Rocco's in charge of the camera, as you can tell. And so we just want a big thank you to everyone. Like, you guys, this YouTube channel started out like this as a joke. You want my polar pop out of there? Like, this was like an inside joke for me and my family. And now, I don't know what to say about our channel. It's fabulous. We're gonna hit 500,000 subscribers today. We've been with Roman Atwood. We were with this Dennis Brody yesterday. We've had collaborations with like Tanner Fox. We're getting ready to get hooked up with some other really big names. Rocco, you're killing me.
I'm sorry.
What is he doing?
Alright.
You're gonna lose the camera.
Okay.
So we want to just say thank you to Studio 71 for having faith in us and for signing us and getting us connected with Roman Atwood and all those people and stuff. And you know, 500,000 subscribers is
I sounded Spartan.
I don't know how you'll piece all this together. But we just want to say thank you to Studio 71 for believing in us and our channel and seeing that we're a good family, funny family, active family. We've got a star athlete kind of thing. So anyway, 500,000, yeah, wow. That's a big deal. We're very excited. We don't know what to do really. We just want to say the 500,000 is not something we accomplished, except something you accomplished. By watching us and spreading the word and telling everybody about us and stuff. So thank you. I'm fixing edamame. Remember when I used to eat edamame every day? Rocco had to go poop. He'll be back. We should probably just, how about we record this spinning? Uh-huh. 30 more. Oop, 29.
I'm winning.
You got 3 minutes, Rocco.
I think we can hit it.
He needs 10 more.
Oh, we need 10 more.
10 more! Spam! Spam! Come on! Come on!
Oh my god.
Spam! Spam! Spam!
What do you mean spam?
Oh. Spin.
Oh,
Dude.
dude, come on! Come on! Come on!
9 more.
Come on!
Rocco, you don't have to be so loud.
Spam!
Emma's celebrating with brownies. Rocco's celebrating on the... Oh!
Oh, Rocco, it's your time.
Oh no, it's still, as long as if it goes right now, it's still 13 for 60 more seconds.
True.
He needs 6 more to win.
Oh my god.
Spam. Spam.
I think this is a nobody wins. Unless it just does its thing. Oh!
Oh, cheese. Are you cheese, Rocco?
David Purdy! Rocco is cheesed! Oh
my God.
Oh, it changed. Oh, he's still on the 13.
Yeah, he's still on the
Oh, he's got seconds. He's got
No, come on! Come on!
Damn, he won.
We'll have to explain to everybody why he's so excited. You made it by seconds, dude.
Oh my god.
Seconds.
You got so lucky. Holy cow.
Nobody's gonna understand why you were going crazy.
Oh my god.
So tell everybody, we had a bet in the house. Tell them. We had a bet going on.
Whoever got
We all guessed a time.
and we're gonna hit 500K, and I won.
Well, Rocco guessed 5:13
I
p.m.
legit had like 10 seconds.
And he had like, seriously, like 6 seconds left to hit that, and he won. So Rocco won our little contest.
So this is how Rocco feels right now.
That's how Rocco feels right now. So anyway, I guessed
17.
5:17, Emma guessed 5:18, Rebecca guessed 5:15,
Wait, if it goes
Rocco
down
guessed
to
5:13.
Oh, you cut the fuzzy thingy?
Yeah, it was in the way we couldn't see our screen.
No.
I think we should cut it.
Everyone
maybe-
go follow me on Snapchat. EPIAZ.
All right, hey everybody. So thanks again for the 500,000. We hit 500,000 subscribers today, and that's totally awesome. Rebecca really didn't think we were gonna hit it. She thought tomorrow. So when it came close, Rocco said, well, if we hit it today, you have to learn how to ride my dirt bike. So now we're out here, we're gonna ride for about 15 minutes, and Rocco's gonna teach Rebecca, and they're already fighting, yay! So Rocco's gonna teach Rebecca, God, I'd look, so Rocco's gonna teach Rebecca how to ride his dirt bike. So we found this dirt lot out by where we live, and we're gonna see, I don't know, we might get arrested before we're able to even ride this thing. We'll see how far we can go. We're on private property. All right, so now Rocco's gonna give Rebecca pointers on the dirt bike.
She's starting it.
Alright, teach me not how to die.
So you want to put your helmet on, or my helmet?
Okay, clear Rocco.
Always wear a helmet.
How do you do this? Oh my god.
Right?
Okay.
So put your right leg over.
Okay.
Here's the kickstart.
Don't touch the exhaust. You didn't even tell her about the exhaust.
That's the exhaust?
This.
That right there.
Yeah, don't.
Okay.
Big pipe.
Okay.
So I want you to start.
Okay.
How fast do you think she'll go, Rocco?
About 5 miles per hour.
You don't think she'll get it going?
Yeah, let me get out of there.
Becca looks a little worried. Is it different than the 110?
Pretty good?
You did pretty good for how big
Is
you
it
are.
different than the 110? Why?
It's a lot more power.
Really?
Yes.
It's a two-stroke. It's fast. You're not in first gear. You're in all gears.
Think I'm ready to race?
Oh, yeah.
What are you gonna do? Hold on, hold on. Go like get squirrely if you can. Oh, ouch!
Ow!
Oh my god, I didn't even think of that! Oh! Do it that way!
I'm going to do a burnout.
No! Rocco! Are you serious? That can fly rocks in our eyes! Are you laughing?
Yes, he is.
It's hard to like, I kind of have them.
Do it one more time. Come. Words of wisdom from Mama Bear.
What?
I said words of. What is he doing? I swear to God, if he does it again.
Did you zoom in on him? It's too dark, like it's not worth it now.
Let's load up. It's so
One more down here. Guys, hold on to the team. Maybe. the guy.
Oh my god.
I was like,